So here we have the Citroen Berlingo van on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of it, and then we're going to hop in and run through some controls on the inside. We're going to start off inside the cargo area at the rear first of all. As we approach the back of it, you can see we've got reversing sensors. It's all been ply-lined as well. We have that sliding side door access and a full metal bulkhead. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer, rev counter on the right-hand side, and the coolant temperature gauge and fuel gauge in the center at the top. Beneath that, you can see a digital readout for the speedometer. You can also see the total miles for this van. They are 89,072. You can change and reset information up there using the buttons just below that display, should you wish to do that. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have stereo controls on the left-hand side, and then cruise control and speed limiter. Over on the left-hand side, and the stereo controls on the right-hand side there. In the center, we then have the main screen for the car. So you've got various options down the right and left-hand sides. As you can see with the phone, once you pair up your phone, we've got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay available in here. We've also got our main audio menu. Plenty of ways to listen to music. We have the radio, USB input, iPod input as well. You can connect up your smartphone and project certain Citroen-friendly apps up onto the screen, including your satellite navigation, should you wish to do that. Working our way down, we have deadlock, so you can lock the van doors. We then have the air conditioning. You can adjust the fan speed, the temperature, the direction you like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. It's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set over here. We then have a 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the van for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.